In this question, you input a number. Again, it's a single number, which we are going to get from the first edit box, EDT num1. Find an output if the number is divisible by 4. Now, if you think about this number, or if you think about this question and compare it with the previous question, which was even and odd was just phrased in a different way compared to this, because even means divisible by 2. So if you knew how to work out the even odd, then this is pretty much worked out in the same way. But this time round, we're checking if it is divisible by 4. So to answer this question, you would say num1, and that would be string to int edt num1.text. So I've got my number, and to check, it's the same check we made for the even odd. If num mod 4 equals 0, then I'm going to say readout dot lines dot add number divisible by 4. Else readout dot lines dot add number not divisible by 4. Now, if you look at this, the way I've written this program compared to the way the previous one was written, you would immediately notice that I omitted the begins and ends. For the if, there's no begin and end. For the else, there's no begin and end. So I thought I'd write it like this so I can explain when you need to use a begin and when you need to use an end. The begin denotes start of something. So here it denotes start, and the end means I'm finished. So it forms a block for the if, the begin and end. Similarly, the end has its own begin and it has an end which forms a block. The rule is if you have only one statement inside of the if, then there's no need for you to have a begin and end. If you have only one statement inside of the else, there's no need for a begin and end. So if you look at the way I've written this, there is only one output statement inside of the if. Therefore, leaving out the begin and end, it will still work. And similarly in the else, I've got only one statement. Therefore, I can leave out the begin and end. But if you've got multiple statements, those are called compound statements. If you've got more than one statement inside of the if or inside of the else, then the begin and the end becomes compulsory for you to have it.